Hello Internet and welcome to my channel again. Today I got a new product to unbox for you. It is Amazon Echo Input, the new product or the new entry for the family of Alexa. It costs $35 and it is the most cheapest Alexa device that you ever can buy. Well, going for the box, it is so small and simple. You can see from the side it has all the music services you can install, and it is so small and so simple. And this is all the feature that you have. Make sure that you need Alexa and the external speaker as well to run this device, or you're out of luck. Opening the box from the top, so simple and easy. Then pull this black tape or black extension, and you can see this is so small packaging. Just have a look around and you can see the manual popped out randomly. So I flipped the box upside down, and this is the new Echo Input. So small, so tiny, so compressed. And this is a micro USB cable. Yeah, you need a micro USB cable to power this up. And there is audio jack extension cable in case your speaker does not have one. Surprisingly, these cheap products come with a power adapter. I mean the AC adapter to the wall, unlike the PlayStation Classic, which cost $100 and it does not come with one. So surprisingly, Amazon was able to fit this one in. Now going for the device itself, Echo Input, you can see it's plain and simple. So clean and so plasticky. There is no volume up and down buttons in this case, unlike the Echo Dot or the others. And there is 4 mics on each side. You can see from the back the audio jack out and the micro USB port where you can power these things up. By the way, if you look closely on the center of this device, there is an LED dot there. It's just like the notification you can see on your phone. It shows you that what Alexa is doing. Is it searching or listening for you? Unlike the ring that you can find it in the Echo Dot, that's covered that whole area of or the whole device. This is so simple. It's not very stylish, but simple. Of course, they want to reduce the price. Powering these things up is so simple and easy. You just plug the micro USB on the back of the Echo Input and that's it. You're ready to go. In terms of power, of course, you still need to set up the device. And the other side of this micro USB cable, you plug it anywhere, even in a laptop. As for the external speaker, you can use any Bluetooth or 3.5 audio jack external speaker. You'll be ready to go the moment that you attach it or pair it or plug it in the Echo Input. Keep in mind that the volume is controlled by the speaker, not by Echo Input. Well, setting up the device or Alexa Input is so simple and easy. It is the same as Echo Dot or any other Echo device or Alexa device. First you need the application, then you add any device, then you choose the device that you want to add, what type of device you want to add. Like for example, there's an Echo Dot here or other Alexa devices. You choose Echo Input. You pair it with the Bluetooth. It's so simple. You can see it in this video. It didn't took me a lot of time to do so. Just keep this in mind that if you set it up with another device or you have some problem with setting up this Echo Input, all what you need to do is look at the LED from the front and hold that button. As you can see in this video, the orange LED start flashing. Now you can see the name of our Echo Input in the list, paired with the Wi-Fi network. You cannot see my password. Waiting for it to set up. It won't take much time. And now we are good to go. Our Echo Input is ready to be used. Of course, you can pair the Echo Input with the Bluetooth speaker or an audio jack speaker. The choice is yours. It is a very flexible device, by the way. So small you can hide it behind any speaker and you got no problem to speak with it. It can detect you from far away. Now you can see that I'm choosing which room I want to put it in. And now it will show me just a small video or a short video about how to use the Echo Input or any other Alexa device. Well, I don't need to know that because I know how to use them. At this point, you will never need Alexa app again, unless you want to set up a new Alexa device like Echo Dot or a speaker or you want to add a new skill for your Echo devices. The choice is yours. Also, there's a communication tab, so you know what that does, by the way. I don't need to explain it.
Alexa, what is the weather today?
Right now in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, it's 73 degrees Fahrenheit with clear skies. Throughout the net you can expect more of the same, with a low of 61 degrees.
It is small and reliable. You won't get any compromise with the small size of this device. Before I end this video, I just want to show you how big the Echo input compared to Echo Dot. This is by side by side top view, and this is from the side view. It is so small and it is so convenient to put it anywhere. And even from the back, you can see the input is so minimalistic in the Echo input, while it is so bold and visible in the Echo Dot. But the choice is yours. It depends where you are planning to put the Echo input. It is so convenient. With the small price you are paying, you're getting even more benefits. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and see you in another video.